Did you know that if you live in the town of Ponoka, you can take advantage of the town's major home renovation incentive program? Town of Ponoka residents who complete major renovations on their home, which increase their property's assessment value by at least 20%, can qualify for the following property tax breaks: a 75% reduction on the assessment increase in the municipal portion of your property taxes in year 1, a 50% reduction on the increase in year 2, and a 25% reduction on the increase in year 3. Examples of major renovations that may qualify for the program include finishing a basement, building an attached or detached garage, building an addition to increase square footage of a home, major kitchen renovations, or complete renovation of a main living area. Applications must be received by December 31st of the same year in which the major home renovation work begins. New residents in the town of Ponoka who buy a home that they complete major renovations on can also qualify for this incentive program, and realtors can use this program to promote the sale of homes that require major renos. For more information and to apply, please phone 403-783-0127 or email realliving@Ponoka.ca. You can also visit the Town of Ponoka website at Ponoka.ca under Our Community for more details.